It's a beautiful day out here. It's around 32 degrees. We're just around Nashville, Tennessee. We're in this beautiful botanical gardens, walking around. It's a gorgeous day. There goes my son. He's been running around nonstop, slipping on mud, jumping on the fence, getting bird poop on him. It's good stuff. Lots of fun. This is a great little botanical gardens. It's Cheekwood Botanical Gardens. Very quiet out here. Everything's kind of labeled on the trees. There's cameras in the trees. There's nice little artwork and stuff like that. There's these look like marble balls or marbles. This is a nice little walkway through the kind of more of a swampy area, or the stream here. You can see. Let's see if I flip it around. A glorious day to be alive. Happy St. Patrick's Day.